The Ultimate Beard Trimmer Guide, Secrets to a Perfectly Groomed Beard, Part 1. Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for all the bearded folks out there, the art of trimming and grooming your beard to perfection. We all know that a beard can be a guy's best accessory, but keeping it looking sharp takes a bit of effort. So whether you're rocking a full Viking mane or just some stylish stubble, this guide has got you covered. Let's roll into part 1 of our Ultimate Beard Trimmer Guide. Why a groomed beard is a game changer. All right, let's start by talking about why grooming your beard is a total game changer. A great beard is more than just letting it grow out, it's about shaping it into something that enhances your features. A well-groomed beard can really elevate your style, whether you're going rugged, modern, or keeping it classic. Plus, nobody likes that itchy, dry feeling that can come with a neglected beard, right? Proper grooming helps to keep things comfortable. And trust me, your friends, family, or that cute stranger you met will definitely notice the effort you put in. Remember, a little bit of attention goes a long way. Step 1. Prepping for the perfect trim. Before we grab the trimmer, we need to talk about prep work. First things first, wash and dry your beard. A clean beard is a happy beard. Use a beard-specific shampoo because regular soap can strip away the natural oils your beard needs. After you wash it, pat it dry, but don't just start trimming right away. Wait a few minutes to let it dry completely. Trust me, it'll make a world of difference. Next up, grab a wide-tooth comb and start combing out that mane. Comb against the grain to lift the hairs, and then go with the grain to shape it up. This not only keeps it neat, but also shows you any strays that might need some love. If your beard is on the longer side, consider using a heated brush for that smooth finish before you start trimming. Step 2. Defining your beard goals. Now let's talk about defining your beard goals. Not all beards are made equal, and your trim strategy depends on what you actually want. Ask yourself some key questions. Do I want a clean, professional look? Or am I aiming for a rugged stubble that would make a lumberjack jealous? And how often can I realistically maintain this look? Knowing your goals really helps guide your entire grooming adventure. Hack number 1, invest in the right tools. Let's chat about tools because they can really make or break your experience. The right trimmer is essential. Look for one with adjustable length settings, a precision blade, and a good grip. A few top contenders include the Manscaped Beard Hedger Talk About Versatile. This bad boy is waterproof and has 20 length settings. Then we have the Philips Norelco Multi-Groom 7000, which is a multitasking beast with 23 attachments. Last but not least, the Braun Beard Trimmer BT7240 is perfect for those clean lines. Pro tip, make sure your trimmer has a good battery life, especially if you're a traveler. Step 3, mastering the neckline and cheek line. Now let's tackle the neckline and cheek line. These areas can really make or break your entire look. For your neckline, imagine a U shape that starts from behind each ear, dipping just above your Adam's apple. Use your trimmer without a guard to create a clear line and trim everything below for that polished look. For the cheek line, you can go natural for a rugged vibe or make it slightly defined for a sharper style. If you're nervous about freehand trimming, no worries. A beard shaping tool can really help guide your hand. Hack number 2, start long, go shorter. Here's a golden rule. Always start with a longer guard when trimming. You can always go shorter, but once it's gone, it's gone. This little mantra can prevent those oops moments where you accidentally take off way too much. And if you're trying a new length, do a test trim on a less visible area, first like under your chin. Hack number 3, use the trim while dry, adjust wet rule. When it comes to trimming, use the trim while dry, adjust wet rule. Why? Because trimming a dry beard helps you see its true length. Shape up the edges and lines with a slightly damp beard for a closer cut. It's a solid balance that gives you great results every time. Step 4, the most common beard trimming mistakes. All right, let's wrap up with the most common trimming mistakes so you can avoid them like the plague. First up is overtrimming, easy to do if you get carried away. Trim small amounts at a time and always check your progress. Next, don't ignore the mustache. It's a crucial part of your look. Use a precision blade to keep it neat. And remember, even a great trim loses its shape without regular maintenance. Schedule those touch-ups every 5 to 7 days for shorter beards and every 2 weeks for long ones. Pro tip, keep some scissors handy for quick touch-ups in between. Hack number 4, moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. Post-trim care is essential. Your skin and beard deserve some TLC after you've done the work. Beard oils and balms are your friends here. They hydrate, reduce itchiness, and keep things soft. To part 2 of our ultimate beard trimmer guide. Well, cover advanced trimming techniques, help you find the perfect beard style for your face shape, and compare the best beard trimmers on the market, including the awesome Manscaped Beard Hedger. So, if you're ready to achieve that beard perfection, let's get this journey started. All right, first things first, let's talk style. Your beard is more than just hair on your face. It's like your personal accessory that can really enhance your features. But here's the secret. The best style for you depends on your face shape. 1. Oval faces. Lucky you, you can rock just about any beard style out there. From a simple stubble to a full lumberjack look, it's all good. If I had to pick just one, I'd say a short box beard keeps things clean and versatile. 2. Round faces. The goal here is to add some length and create a sharper jawline. So you'll want to skip styles that add width to your face. A longer beard with a tapered fade on the sides is your best friend. It'll make your face appear longer and leaner. 3. Square faces. Got a strong jawline? Let's soften those edges. A medium-length beard with rounded edges can help balance that strong shape and create a more approachable look. 4. Rectangular faces. It's all about balance. A full, bushy beard adds width and helps to balance out the longer dimensions of your face. Keeping the chin a bit shorter will help complete the look. And here's a pro tip for all you beginners. Start with a medium-length style and see how it works for you. Your face shape will guide you as you refine your look. Now that you've got your style down, let's talk about achieving beard symmetry. Symmetry is the secret sauce for that professionally groomed look. Here's how to get it right. 1. Use 2 mirrors. Grab a handheld mirror and position it with your bathroom mirror. This gives you a full 360-degree view of your beard. What looks great from the front might be a bit lopsided from the sides. 2. Measure your cheek lines. If you're not sure, go ahead and use a ruler or even a beard stencil. Sounds a bit extra, but trust me, it makes a difference. 3. Slow and steady wins the trim. Take your time, don't rush this process. Making small, gradual adjustments can save you from having to restart your whole beard. Next up, let's talk about blending. You want that smooth transition between your beard, sideburns, and hairline. Here's how to do it. Choose the right length guard. Start with a longer guard for your top, and then taper down as you move to your beard. This helps create a seamless look. Blend gradually. Use your trimmer in a sweeping motion to avoid harsh lines. Check your angles. Don't forget to look at your beard from different perspectives to make sure everything's looking good. Pro tip, the Manscaped Beard Hedger has an adjustable dial so you can blend perfectly without constantly switching guards. It's a game changer. Let's level up your trimming skills a bit more. Here are some advanced techniques to keep in mind. 1. Fading your beard. Start off with a longer guard on your chin area. Then gradually move to shorter guards as you approach your jawline and sideburns. Blend those lengths together in smooth, overlapping motions for that nice fade. 2. The precision cut. Use a trimmer with precision blades like the Manscaped Beard Hedger to clean up stray hairs around the edges. Sharpen those neckline and cheek lines for a polished finish. 3. Sculpting the mustache. Comb it down and trim just enough to keep it off your lips. For a thicker mustache, grab those scissors for extra control. Now, let's shine a spotlight on the Manscaped Beard Hedger. This tool can seriously up your beard game. You've got 20 adjustable length settings, so you can say goodbye to messy guard changes with its easy-to-use dial. Plus, those precision blades deliver a smooth trim without any tugging or pulling, which is a must. But how does it stack up against the competition? Let's see. Philips Norelco Multi-Groom 7000. This guy comes with 23 attachments for all your grooming needs. Plus, it boasts a whopping 5 hours of runtime, perfect for those who want a one-stop grooming tool. Braun Beard Trimmer BT7240. If you're all about precision, this one offers 39 length settings and is fully washable, making cleanup a breeze. Wall Stainless Steel Lithium Ion Plus. This trimmer is built to last with a heavy-duty stainless steel body. It has a 4-hour battery life, so you can say goodbye to constant charging. In the end, the Manscaped Beard Hedger is perfect for both beginners and pros, with features that make trimming a breeze. Want to keep your beard game strong? Here's your must-have kit for flawless grooming. Beard comb, perfect for detangling and shaping your beard before and after trimming. Beard oil, hydrates your beard and keeps that itchiness away. Beard balm, provides hold and tames those unruly flyaways. Trimmer of choice, go for the Manscaped Beard Hedger or one of its worthy competitors. Your call. For those precise touch-ups on your mustache or any rogue hairs. All right, you're now armed with all the knowledge and tools to unleash your ultimate beard game. Here's what you should do next. Upgrade your gear. If you're still using that old trimmer, it's time for a change. The Manscaped Beard Hedger is a great choice if you want precision and convenience. Experiment with styles. Don't hesitate to switch it up. Try different styles that really complement your face shape. Share the love. Got a buddy who's struggling with their beard? Share this guide with them and help a fellow bearded friend out. Check the links. All the products we discussed today, including the Manscaped Beard Hedger and more, are linked in the description below. So go and find the perfect tools for your beard journey. Join the community. Drop your favorite trimming tips or any funny beard mishap stories in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, your beard is a canvas and you're the artist. So grab your tools, embrace the process, and wear that masterpiece with pride. A great beard isn't just grown, it's earned. Until next time, keep grooming and stay legendary.